Umentri rangba banrap jaka Sorkar jala ubadai pedru ikatarat PWD uba prastun tinsong ula pente bula depatha eka National Highway and Infrastructure Development Corporation ban khot tender no anaka benta banchnai ke Surok ba National Highway 40 nadu umyam hadu Shillong. Ulong bamenta gidang abe ke detailed project report nakani katanat naka benta ban siang rong ba dun pen itanat ekani ke Surok.
I've instructed NHIDCL to immediately call a tender for this, this stretch wherever, especially the road which is approaching Shillong from Umyang, and the DPR, the estimate is being worked out right now by NHIDCL. I think very soon they will again invite a tender for blacktopping and for modification and for beautification of this road.
How soon can we expect this?
Because last meeting we had, in fact, the executive director who's stationed here, he's on the job preparing the DPR. So I told him you have to do it as early as possible, because this is the only approach road to Shillong where we need to make sure that we get all weather and then good road 24/7.
Ubatan sang ulay thuru baladep IT ya kakam na kabantawan Pynbha ka Surok na Shillong siya sora hindoy na kadaw jang uslap lahap ang pensangya no siya shipor tar hadu bandapoy ka ayom telang.
They have already started blacktopping, but unfortunately due to the monsoon has started, so these contractors they stop, and once the winter season starts, they will complete the blacktopping in the entire stretch of Shillong Sora from Pynkhreh.